Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, but today is International Condom Day. Don't be shy to be seen or to ask for condoms, because it is a sign that you care for your partner. I just want to give tips that can ensure that the integrity of your condoms remains intact to avoid stories that touch them. Tips on how to store your condoms. You may be wondering if it is even important. Yes, it is, because the way you handle your condoms may make it fail you. So you have to know these tips to avoid cases of questioned paternity or sexually transmitted diseases. Tips No. 1. Do not use condoms whose package is broken, because the condom's package is not just for aesthetic appeal but to regulate the moisture content of the condoms and ensure they don't dry out, which can lead to breakage during use. Tip No. 2. Do not store condom in your wallet for more than 2 weeks if you live in a climate region, and more than 4 weeks if you live in a temperate region. This is so because moisture, heat, and cold temperature can affect the integrity of the condoms, thereby causing breakage while in use. Also, do not just put condoms in the wallet. Place it between credit cards or holdings that can keep it in place to prevent wear and tears that can occur due to movements. And do not put your wallet where you can sit on it. Tips No. 3. Always check the expiration date of condoms before use and store them where it can be easily accessible. Tip No. 4. Do not store the condoms where it will be exposed to any form of light, whether sunlight or fluorescent light. This means that you should not store condoms close to windows, but should be stored in drawers or tin containers. Tip No. 5. Do not store condoms in the care for more than 24 to 48 hours. Love wisely and think of the future always. Until next time, see you. Bye.